So I'm going to skip number 3 because number 3 is more just the definitions. You can go ahead and watch the videos and look at the notes for number 3. That'll help you out as you're doing this one. But number 4 is just another dilation practice. I'm not going to do number 5 either because if you did number 1, number 5 is pretty much the same. Okay, so we're just going to do number 4, and that'll be the last help video for this homework set. Okay, so our goal is to find if square B is a dilation of square A, then what's the scale factor? Okay, so square B is a dilation of square A. So what that means, the order in which we say things now is important. Square B is a dilation. That means you are doing something to square A. So square A is the old image. That is the original image. And you do something, it's going to be giving us a new shape of square B. Okay, so we can see some observations here. So square A is shrinking. A is shrinking. Oh, that's not useful, shrinking. Shrinking to get B. So we shrink A to get a new image of B. That means our scale factor is going to be smaller than 1 because whenever you shrink, you're multiplying by something less than 1. So let's take our new, remember scale factor is new divided by the old, okay? And our new image, and look, 54, since this is a square, if this is 54, well, this is also 54, this is also 54, right? So they're all the sides are 54 for square B. Same thing for square A, all the sides are 63. So we can just compare each side as if they're all the same. So we have the new image, which is B of 54. We're going to divide that by the old dimensions of A, which is 63. And I mean, technically that's your scale factor right there, but we can simplify this a little bit more. So I'm going to do this as a fraction. You might be tempted to write it as a decimal, but fractions are a little bit more meaningful sometimes. So we'll do it as a fraction. These are both divisible by 9. So if we divide 54 by 9, we're going to get 6. If we divide 63 by 9, we're going to get 7. So this simplifies to 6 divided by 7, which means that's our scale factor. The scale factor is 6 divided by 7. Now, one way you can just verify, sometimes it's really nice to just double check our work, is if you take the original image of 63 and you multiply it by that scale factor of 6 over 7, what are we going to get? Okay, well, let's see. Well, 63 can be written as 63 divided by 1. And if we can multiply straight across, we have 63 times 6 is going to be 378. And then we can multiply 1 and 7. Right? If I do 378 divided by 7, we get 54. You feel free to check my work here, but that's 54. And then that was the dimension of our new square right there. That's an easy way for you to verify.